When it comes to protecting what matters most, experience really matters, and Alcatraz Locksmith delivers. Founded in 1995 in the heart of San Diego, we bring over 50 years of combined locksmithing expertise to every job. Whether you're locked out or looking to upgrade your security, we're the trusted name locals count on. Alcatraz Locksmith is more than just keys and locks. We're a full-service locksmith company, operating a state-of-the-art key shop and a fleet of 24/7 service vans, ready when and where you need us. Our certified professionals are equipped to handle a wide range of services across commercial, automotive, residential, and safe work sectors. From keyless entry systems, interchangeable cores, and master key systems, to auto ignitions, deadbolts, safe deposit boxes, padlocks, and safe openings, we do it all. Lost your keys, we'll replace them. Locked out? We'll get you back in, fast. At Alcatraz Locksmith, we're dedicated to innovative solutions and exceptional customer service. We use the latest tools and technologies to ensure your property stays secure, and our team walks you through every step with clear communication and honest pricing. Choose Alcatraz Locksmith for security you can trust, day or night. Call us at 619-690-0000 or visit our website to learn more. Your safety starts with the turn of a key, and Alcatraz holds the key to your peace of mind.